Moja Magic TV.
Hi friends, come and play. Let's count the numbers today. From 1 to 20 we'll sing and cheer. Join the fun, we're so glad you're here. One bright sun up in the sky, shining down oh so high. Two big boots go stomp, 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 marching through the jungle swamp.
Say two as you stomp.
Three balloons fly in the air, up, up high without a care.
Say
Four little frogs hop on the ground, jumping up, hopping all around.
Say four with the jump.
Five little fingers wave to you, wiggle them now, they're fun to do.
Say five and wiggle fingers.
Clap, 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 let's count some more. Numbers waiting, can you see the door? Say the numbers one by one, counting's fun, let's all have fun. Six little ducks go quack, 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 waddling forward, then waddling back.
Say
Seven stars up in the sky, twinkle, twinkle, way up high.
Say
Eight arms on an octopus spin, round and round they move with a grin.
Say
Nine little ducks say quack, 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 waddling forward, then waddling back.
Say nine.
10 little chickens go cluck, 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 flapping their wings just like luck.
Say 10 and flap arms.
Clap, 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 let's count some more. Numbers waiting, can you see the door? Say the numbers one by one, counting's fun, let's all have fun. 11 books on a shelf, open one up, hear the story itself.
Say 11.
12 cupcakes are so sweet, frosted yummy, a yummy treat.
Say 12.
13 leaves fall from the tree, fluttering down so happily.
Say 13.
14 kites fly up so high, twirling and spinning in the sky.
Say 15.
15 books on a shelf so neat, reading them is such a treat.
Say 15.
Clap, 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 let's count some more. Numbers waiting, can you see the door? Say the numbers one by one, counting's fun, let's all have fun. 16 dolls with dresses bright, twirl and spin with all their might.
Say
17 ants march in line, tiny feet moving just fine.
Say
18 shoes line up in a row,
tapping, tapping.
watch them go.
Say 18 and tap feet.
19 balls bounce up and down, jumping high all around the town.
Say 19 and jump.
20 friends shout hooray, hooray, we counted up, now let's go play.
Say 20.
Clap, 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 we counted through. Now it's time to play with you. From 1 to 20 we had fun, let's count again next time.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.